Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Vimeo for video marketing, full guide step by step clearly. First, go to the Vimeo website and create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section from your profile menu. In the settings, select the privacy tab to set the privacy controls for your videos. Choose who can view your videos, from specific people to public access. Next, go to the Videos section to upload your first video. Click the New Video button and select the video file from your device. While your video uploads, fill out the title and description fields. Make sure to include relevant keywords in your title and description for better searchability. After the upload completes, choose a thumbnail image that captures the essence of your video. Once you're satisfied with the settings, save your changes and publish the video. To enhance your video marketing, consider using Vimeo's customization options. Go to the Customize section where you can modify the player logo and colors. You can also enable or disable features like playback controls and social sharing options. Next, explore the Review tab to share your video with a select audience for feedback. For wider distribution, head to the Distribution section to get your video link. You can also embed the video on your website using the provided code. Consider utilizing Vimeo's advanced analytics to track your video's performance. Analyze metrics like play rates, finishes, and geographical data for insights. To further improve your video marketing strategy, integrate your Vimeo account with social media platforms. Lastly, remember to consistently engage with your audience through comments and updates. By following these steps, you will effectively configure Vimeo for video marketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.